Hello guys, you are welcome to this particular channel Ready Family, where we teach you how to make good money online. And today I will be showing you a particular website where I can make much money online. But before I go, I want you to do something for me. I would like you to subscribe this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and drop any question you have on the comment section below. Now before I start, let me quickly show you something. Look at this screen well. If you imagine how these people 14 hours ago, 90 hours ago, 2 days ago made this amount of money: $79, $14, $14, $4, $14, $31, $31, $31. Have you wonder how these guys make this amount of money? Now let me just say how they make it. They make it taking surveys. So this to show you that surveys, there's money in taking surveys, in watching videos. And today I'll be showing you this particular site where you too can make up to this amount. Now without wasting much of our time, let me go to my Chrome and let me show you this particular site. But before I show you this particular site, as you know, as I used to do in my YouTube channel, I won't just show you, I will also show you what others are saying about this site. So that's what I will go to you. Now let's go to the channel first and let's see what the channel is all about. Anticlicks.net. Let's see what the channel is all about. Let me log out from my account there. As you can see, any extra cash from your online activities, high paying service, you can refer others to make money. You can pay to promote, tax bonus, server contest, completely offers. So these are the things you can do to make money here. Earn up to $20 from survey and offer every day. Every day you earn up to $20. Survey, offer, promote, and contest. You earn up to $20. So as you can see about this, is a very good site, and they pay in your paper. They pay using your paper. If you need to know how to open a paper account, just drop in the comment section below. I need a paper account. Just drop in the comment section below. If I have a lot of people that drop it in the comment section, I'll actually teach you how to create a paper. Especially if you are from Nigeria, I'll teach you how to create a paper that can receive money in Nigeria. Now without wasting our time, let's just go to our Trustpilot and see what others are saying about this particular site, if they are really genuine or not. Let's see what they are saying about them. Anticlicks. Please watch this video because I'm actually going to show you how to open this account. If you don't watch it, you can get it wrong. So watch it, and if you don't watch it, maybe only on your own, you can end up going somewhere that you don't understand. So watch it because I've actually shown you how to open this particular account. As you can see, I think have 83% is an excellent something out of 151 reviews. Have 83%. It's an excellent something. You see, my next payment for Anticlicks, I do this. So can you, how much is it? $44. My 30-second payment. Look at this alone. Look at this alone is okay for you. It's okay for you. I've got my 15 payment, which is good app and very good expense with. Can you see? I saved my 6 payments. It's very good for us too. You see? You see, people are dropping your reviews, 5 stars reviews, 5 stars review, 5 stars review, 5 stars review. I can see this site is having 4.3 stars out of the 5 stars. So this shows that this site is very genuine in Spain. So don't sleep on this update. As you watch this video finish, you go straight, open your account and start doing something right now. And start doing something right now. Now let's go back so I can actually teach you how to open account here. In what, let me show you how to open a good account there. As you can see, instead of me to log in, let me just show you how to open a brand new account, how to register for an account. You have to do this to create register, you see. You have to do this to do this. University when you born, your birth year, all this are what you just have to do. These are what you have to do. Then this SNWWA, all you have to do is to put it. And what? Click on I have read this and what I register straight up. That waste so much of your time. Now let me log into my account and let me actually show you ways. Let me show you ways to go about this. Let me log into my account. Let me log into my account and show you various ways you can actually do this. If you are finding this video very useful, please just consider subscribe to this particular channel. I'll probably share it. As you can see, X G G O. So as you can see, it's very easy to open. The sign up is actually free of charge. It's actually free of charge. Now let's look at the daily offers. We're actually going to see the daily offers here and how much each of the daily offer pays. I'm actually going to choose how much the daily offer pays. Then we're actually going to check the surveys. As I told you, you do offers, you survey. Then this side, something about this site is that you can actually use to advertise your own product. As you can see, look at this. This is 1,750 cents. This money is actually $17. Just doing this $70, doing this $70, doing this $70. You see, doing this alone is $35. This $19. This $14. Up you can see from this, just $19. Now let me show you the surveys and how much you can actually get from the surveys. As you can see, all this survey, this is 55 cents. Just 90 minutes survey. This is 30 minutes survey. If you actually add these two together, you have made a good amount of money. And something about this site is that the more you take the survey, the more you see more surveys. So you just have to be very active here and be taking surveys and be doing things so that you can be seeing more surveys. And another way to earn in this particular site is you referring others. Now as you can see, I will actually show you how to copy your referral links after registering. Say let me advise you, I'm going to drop this referral link at my comment section below so that you can just go there and click on it. It will take you straight to this site and you can register and sign up immediately. I'm going to drop this referral link. As you can see, I'm copying the link here already, so I will drop it. All you have to do is to go straight and copy it. So if you find this video useful, please like it, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I watch out for my next update is going to be massive. So thank you for your support, guys. Have a nice day.